How to fix Honor Choice Earbuds X5 one side not working. So let's get started. First of all, if it happens during your call, switch the audio to your phone or tablet speaker, then switch back to see if the voice levels on two sides are equal or not. After doing so, reconnect the earphones. If this happens while playing music or audio content, please press to pause and then play again. If you still have one earphone louder or quieter, place the earphones back into the charging case and close the lid for 5 seconds. Then open the case and try to reconnect your earphones. The audio resource requires differently on mono or stereo channels. Once some signals of one channel are missing, you will hear no sound on one side for the moment. Please change to another audio source or music player. Also, make sure to keep your earphones dry and clean. If the ear tips get wet, the sound may become low due to water droplets gathering on this speaker diaphragm. Please let your earphones dry for a while in a ventilated environment with sufficient sunshine. Also, try replacing the earphone covers. Please choose the appropriate earphone covers that fit your ear canals. Be sure the left and right covers are of the same model. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.